A mobile cleanroom with an airlock section and a connected machine. Production can now begin in this room. A perfect interlocking process chain is required to construct the cleanroom and to prepare it for production. With the motto, "The Modern Art of Cleanliness," a network of 5 companies has come together to make cleanroom construction as easy as possible for customers from research and industry. Cleanliness GmbH is responsible for the configuration of the cleanroom. Managing Director Joachim Ludwig established this company over 15 years ago. Cleanliness constructs cleanrooms and offers products and services in the area of cleanrooms. For this film, they're constructing a mobile cleanroom.
Dieser Reinraum ist eine temporäre Lösung für Anwender, die
This cleanroom is a temporary solution for users who sometimes have to work under clean conditions, whether it's because a product only has to run for 2 to 3 months, because it has to be manufactured under clean conditions, or because the time until its permanent cleanroom is available needs bridging. In the last 2 years, this solution has established itself with a wide customer base.
bei einem breiten Kundenkreis etabliert.
The entire cleanroom is packaged in 2 frame pallets. The complete rear wall is found in 1 pallet. It consists completely of ventilator filter modules and ensures the long-term cleanliness of the cleanroom. The wall and ceiling components are assembled together. Tools are not necessary. The floor panels are also fixed together with plug connectors. The complete cleanroom is assembled in less than 20 minutes. The company Decontam GmbH supplies special cleanroom clothing. Markus Schad is the managing director of the company, which was established 25 years ago. The core competencies of Decontam are the professional preparation and leasing of cleanroom textiles. It's necessary as early on as the planning of the cleanroom to decide on the correct clothing concepts. It's firstly important to know that cleanroom clothing protects the product from the person. This means the clothing is actually a particle barrier between the person and the product. This is a basic requirement. It's also important to look at the product and ascertain the exact cleanliness requirements concerning it, as well as the configuration of the production process. The mobile cleanroom has no airlock as found in a stationary cleanroom. Instead of this, an airlock area is marked out in the entrance area. A Decontam employee brings a cupboard to this area. A container for storing gloves and face masks is attached directly to the cupboard. The mobile cleanroom can be classified up to ISO Class 5. For this reason, the Decontam employee fills the cupboard with dust-free packaged cleanroom overalls. Profi-con has been a professional service provider for cleaning cleanrooms and for training in the area of cleanrooms for over 25 years. As training manager, Rolf Zimmermann plays a key role in the success of the company. One of the most important things before entering the cleanroom is the dressing procedure for the cleanroom overalls. The dressing procedure applies independently of whether it's a mobile or a stationary cleanroom. In all cleanrooms, it's necessary to act perfectly before entering the cleanroom and to understand and comply with all of the steps that are specified. This means a specified procedure which may deviate here and there depending on the conditions in the cleanroom and in the airlock. After putting the fleece, face mask and gloves on, the hood is finally fitted. The overalls are then put on. It's necessary to make sure that it must not be touched by an external source. The difficult thing about cleaning a cleanroom is that the contaminants are so small you can't see them with your naked eye. This means it's all the more important to be painstaking, so not one single square millimeter is forgotten. The room is cleaned from top to bottom and from the rear part of the room to the airlock. After the cleaning, the qualification appropriate to VDI 2083 can take place. This means that we carry out a particle measurement and prove Class 5 according to ISO 14644. The measuring device is set up with the measuring probe at different locations in the cleanroom. It measures the number and size of particles in the air. After successful measurement, the cleanroom is viewed to be qualified. DB Schenker is a global transport and logistics company. One of its divisions focuses on the transport of machines to cleanrooms under cleanroom conditions. Stefan Kester is the Sales and Marketing Director of DB Schenker. He not only views technical know-how to be important, he also values his employees' qualifications. The employees are trained. They have to comply with the regulations. They are certified so that they know how to behave accordingly in this special cleanroom area and in the airlock and so on. This is a very important subject. When the DB Schenker employees start work, the machine is usually already located in an airlock. The employees lay down an aluminium panel path to better distribute the weight of the machine over the floor. With a special transport device, they gradually push the machine into the cleanroom. The machine is positioned on the floor at the final location. The transport rollers are then removed. The firm Hecker Automation is a leading specialist in the area of micro and nano dosing and 3D multi-chip assembly. Marcus Tam is the company's Chief Marketing Officer. Before a machine is taken into the cleanroom, it has to satisfy certain conditions. The system itself has to be inherently clean. Of course, we clean the systems beforehand. The typical installations that we fit are less critical when it comes to dust particles. Due to miniaturization, however, the damaging effect of dust is becoming an issue, both now and in the future. After positioning the machine correctly on the floor, the Hecker Automation employee sets up the tool. Once everything has been set up perfectly and the power and pressurized air are connected, the computer is initialized. The machine now does a test run. The cleanroom is now complete and ready for the clean production.